Hey, it's Art here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the power and advantages of the online built-in forms of your digital welcome kit. From the home page, on the top navigation, I'm going to click on the Forms and Checklists, where you'll see many different forms, most of which you're already familiar with. And here at the top, inside the header image, is a form that automatically creates a guest pass for new prospects. Now, all of these forms are live and functioning on our demo site at digitalwelcomekit.com, so you can try them out for yourself. These powerful forms provide you with several advantages. First off, they save you a ton of time. These forms can be completed anywhere on any device by your clients and prospects instead of you. So think about that. That's hundreds, if not thousands of hours of time saved by you not completing the forms. Next, once the form is completed and the prospect clicks on Submit, the information is immediately formatted and converted to a PDF file. And then the website automatically sends the completed form to both you and your clients or prospects, where you both can download and print for your own safekeeping. And finally, here's a powerful secret known by all the top internet marketers, and it's this. When a website visitor voluntarily completes an informational form or survey, they are automatically considered a hot lead. So if a prospect takes the time to complete one of these forms, they've literally pre-qualified themselves as being interested in you and your services. All right, that's it. I'm Art. I hope you found this helpful.